How to delete a message that has already been sent to a user on Telegram or WeContact. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. In this video, we will see how you can delete a message that has already been sent to a user in Telegram or another messenger WeContact. Let's see a simple example. Go to Smart Messenger, Live Chats. Okay, I choose some user, write a letter, any letter, for example, and I want to delete this letter. Click in this icon and confirm. I deleting this message, this user. It is simple example. This is possible to do with WeContact too, but today I show it all of this on Telegram Chatbot. Okay guys, we can also delete message directly from the funnels. Go to funnels and I already have a small script. Choose this funnels, edit, and this work Telegram and WeContact. Let's imagine that we have a promotional offer of 80% discount on some products within 24 hours. I am explaining you all of these funnels. The first message we inform our subscribers is that the discount is valid for 24 hours. We have special offer and 80% discount on our chatbot development course. Only today it is just £95. If I click the button buy now, it is some products. How to add this product? We add the button and here we choose our product. I create this product earlier. Courses and chatbot course and create. I delete this button. Okay. Our next step it is Smart Delay. Smart Delay sent a next message after 12 hours, but now it is only an example and I add Smart Delay 30 seconds and 30. Okay, it is only an example, but we have here 3 steps. The first message we send immediately, the second after 12 hours because our discount work only within 24 hours. Second message after 12, third message after 11 hours, but all step by step. Okay, first message our user will be received immediately after 12 hours and such an example 30 seconds. We check the condition the user bought our course or not. How to create this condition? Add the condition. Here add condition, choose the purchase and choose operators. Includes, continue, our course chatbot. If user bought course chatbot, we don't send anything. If no, it is red line, no. We need to delete this message and send another message. How to delete this message? We need to know ID this message. Click this block, go to Telegram, and here if you click in for this icon, you can see identify this message. Then copy this identifier. You need only clicking for this icon, that's all. Clicking and continue. And now perform actions. We need delete message with this identifier. Click add to action, and here we choose delete message by follow content identifier and continue. The first it is ID from Telegram, and if you want to add another ID message, for example, we contact, you add another. For example, I choose another chatbot, click in here, copy, continue, back for this, and paste next identifier. Please note that you update the funnel and make any changes to this funnel, the ID of this message, this another message will be also changed, and we will need to be changed information this. Of course, we can enter message identifier here, not just one, but several from the same messenger when I told previously. Okay guys, next step, next message. After 12 hours or such an example 30 seconds, we send this message, and we need to delete this message after 11 hours if user not bought our course. Click in here, Telegram, and copy ID. Continue, perform actions, choose this our action. Delete message by flow content ID, continue, and paste. I paste now only Telegram because I showed you this on Telegram chatbot. Continue. Here we choose smart delay 30 seconds, an example. Our second message after 12 hours we send. We only have 12 hours left until the discount ends. This is your last chance to get the chatbot development course with an 80% discount. Okay guys, and after 11 hours we delete this message and send our new message. Hi, attention, there's only 1 hour left and it is your last chance to avail of the 80% discount on our chatbot development course. This product too, as here, such as an example 30 seconds too, but if main logical it is 1 hour, and we add our perform action. If not buy, we need delete this message. Okay, go to Telegram, copy ID this message, click here, add action, delete message, and paste our ID, our message ID. Okay guys, and I see we have some mistake. It is not continue after bottom, it is automatically continue, and here too automatically continue, and here too, sorry, because this smart delay working only if the user clicks this button. Of course, if I something change, I need to copy new ID this message. Okay, go to Telegram, copy, continue, and select new one. Continue, and second, copy, continue, change this to, and this, copy, continue, and change this to. Don't forget for this. publish. If you any change, you need to copy and paste new ID a message. Preview, select the channel, Telegram and continue. Start. This is my first message within 24 hours. After 30 seconds, I will be receive next. Okay, the first message deleted and write next. We have only 12 hours and we wait in next 30 seconds. Okay, delete second and send source. Attention, there's only 1 hour left. Okay, waiting the last message. And guys, we are receive a last message. Time's up, but if you have any question or want to know about futures promotion, feel free to ask. Thank you for your attention. So friends, today you all know how to delete a message from Telegram directly from the funnel. Use this in various scenarios of your chatbot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so as not to miss new lesson. See you soon, guys.